Things about Odyssey's scheduling views is we can go in and prioritize orders. So if a customer comes in with a late order, back in the office, we can put a priority 1 or 2 on it, and it automatically communicates that to the guys running the machine. So they know that's going to be the next job on, because everything is just lifetime data.
Scheduling, it all kind of starts with scheduling. We years ago would do pin boards, we would use chalkboards, we would use whiteboards, we would use pieces of paper that you wad up and throw away at the end of the day. And the scheduling module allows us to pre-plan what we're going to do. And the whole process of being efficient starts with good scheduling.
We take the scheduling views, and in our mold area, mill room, grinding area, and our machine shop, each department has its own large monitor where it has our schedule on it, which allows everyone to be aware of what's going on. We're constantly running different views on those, and everyone can look at it and know what the plan is for the upcoming jobs.